What is up, guys? We are heading down to the one and only, the famous restaurant, the street food, aluthkade street food, guys. We got a taxi guy here. Keeps a very safe environment, and got to be very safe with that meter as well. As we are traveling solo, we get into so many trouble, and it's all been covered. This aluthkade street food is located on Abdul Hamid Street. If you were to ask anybody, okay, can you just drop me on the Abdul Hamid Street? This will direct you to this place where we are heading out today. And absolutely, because it's evening, 5:30, everything is a little rushy, and yeah, you get the feeling. Let's go. Alright guys, we are here on the aluthkade street food. We got a lot of things are going out, and I want to try everything today, but simply very nice. Simply we got our chicken greens going. What's up? Wow, I'm not gonna try chicken now, but what do you have? என்ன செய்றீங்க?
crispy chicken.
Crispy chicken.
Yeah.
Okay, well.
My own leg on 380 varum 390.
390.
120 varum with the crispy.
Okay. Well, today I'm fasting, okay, but 390, eh? Just
390.
this one?
This one 390, this one 480. Just
480.
This one,
This one, the beginning right here. So, today I'm eating. What is this? How do you call this?
barbecue chest.
Barbecue chest. Okay. Well, how much is this?
One piece 750.
750.
With free chapati one piece.
Oh, free chapati which you are making now. Okay. Got it. Wow. Is that your restaurant?
Huh?
Whose restaurant is this?
This is my boss.
Okay. He's your boss. Okay. We got so much things. Hot dog as well. How much is a hot dog?
Hot dog, how much?
350. Okay, well, that's what Canadian loves. Beautiful. I'll come in the evening, okay? Okay. Beautiful. Okay, guys. As we are going down, we are trying so much things. And that's the visiting card, okay? Here we go. Alright. And this selling for 170 bucks. Alright guys, we are heading down. As we are getting down, we will be seeing so much things today, because crispy chickens, I tried it in the morning, and so skipping it. This will be the Oilman Street, which will be the fourth one, and here we got that Lotus Tower. That's the Lotus Tower. Okay, and if you go in this direction, it will be the same as this street, and just go. I don't know why you see so many of fish barbecue. Whoa. Just push me out. I don't know what I can try here. It all looks like, I already feel like full, you know. So if you go on this right and you will go to the Mill Street, we'll just turn right and go on that Abdul Hamid Street. Well, as we start up, we can have a coffee here. Pretty much a good starter. How much? 100 rupees. 1,000 rupees. Yeah. 100 rupees. I'm gonna have some.
I have one.
Wow, he's adding a condensed milk inside. What a milk guy here. Whoa. It's all happening on Abdul Hamid Street, and what do you call it? Nearness Street, crossing by. Wow, right there. This guy taking everything out, man. Whatever he meant, this guy taking it. Wow, how much is that? How much was that? How much? 700? Oh, okay. So that costs 700. This guy's taking everything out, man. I think it's for hospital purpose. Alright guys, he's making it pretty clean and from the scratch. Let's go. Oh, this guy actually cleaning up or sterilizing with the hot water, right? Whoa. You want coffee? Tell me, you want coffee? Thank you. Whoa. Nice, here we go. Wow. Super. What a vibe. Actually, this has that milk, right? And it's just giving a good saliva taste as well. Wow. It's a bit of sugar, but it's okay. These guys got all the snacks items right on this side, eh? And here's the street, okay? They got all the items here. This guy just come and eat their stuff and then let them know. What is that? Thank you. What is this guy trying to do? Oh my god. Whoa. Masterpiece. Yeah, there we go. Thank you. Alright guys. Alright guys, I'm just gonna pass on this store. Let's see what he got. It looks fresh and that's why I'm coming back. Alright guys, let's just try these ones. These guys have all these items, guys. I wanted to capture. What do you got? Oh, this guy got it. 10 ரூபாய். Okay, என்னென்ன வெச்சிருக்கீங்கண்ணா? ஆல்வடை எவ்வளவு? 100 ரூபாய். 100 rupees இது? 10 rupees. Which? Oh, this one. 100 ரூபாய். Okay.
This one 100 rupees.
120. 120. Okay, what you got? You got mix everything? All mix? Okay, give me a good one. Yeah. Give me good one. Yeah, one. Yeah, mix.
Idhula unde.
Ama.
Idhula unde. Idhula unde.
Roti vena. Just put it on the bites. Oh, you got to put it on the boiling item. Oh, there we go. Nice. Actually, this guy making everything out, and let's try this taste. Wow, that's actually bust up. Hot. And give it a bite, this one as well. How is the taste? Wow, let me just show you the front view. This is it. 100, 120, 10 rupees. Let's give it a bite, guys. Guys, look what I got. It just takes a 10 set, which is the cheaper one. Just a regular butter, huh? Normal butter market.
This one normal.
This is normal, regular one, yeah.
Just this one browns. This one browns.
This is 120 bucks. Let's give it a one bite. You got a crush and crunchy, man. It's got a true crunch. Look at that. I just bite the head of it. Let me taste 100 one. You got a onion chopping, carrot, so much things are going on. Here we go. Very hot. So I like the overall I like the 121, which is very crunchy, crispy, everything is. It's all happening at one place in this market. Aluthkade street food, guys. Let's go. Yeah, அது 100 ரூபா. So I'm giving him a 100 rupees worth of raw butter. Huh? Huh? No. How much is this? 100 rupees?
This one.
Oh, yeah. 100 rupees. Wow. A piece. Wow. This is for this. Yeah. There we go. Thank you, sir. Alright, guys, we'll continue. Alright, guys, we are heading down to some kind of drink I really wanted. It's been little salty. First guy to be here. What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? என்ன வச்சிருக்கீங்க? என்ன இருக்கு உங்கள்ட்ட இதுல?
பாதாம் பால் இருக்கு, ஐஸ் மைலோ இருக்கு, மொஜிட்டோ இருக்கு, குல்ஃபி இருக்கு.
என்ன விலை? How much is the price? Badam milk how much? What is insects and juice? Huh? You don't have it. Okay, Faluda? Okay, give me a badam milk. Okay, give me 250? Okay, give me. I don't know how you guys feel because it's starting up. He's gonna make the badam milk. Let's go.
Where are you going?
Yeah, somewhere here.
எங்க ஊரேங்க?
Sri Lanka, man.
சொல்லுங்க.
Yeah, what do you got? What is this?
Eastpool.
Huh?
Eastpool.
What is food? Well, I don't know. Wow, you use bare hands. Whoa. And that's it, badam milk? Where's the badam milk? Oh, there we go. It's all happening at this location. We got some item from here, and here we go. Here we go, the mix of it. How is the taste? I'm from Sri Lanka, eh? Jaffna. Yeah. There we go. Let's give it a good bite. Whoa, that actually looks nice. There we go. Thanks, man. Wow. Yeah. Why is it so sugar, eh? A lot of sugar. It's actually really good, man. We got all the ices, all the badam, nuts, milk, kasa, everything mixing up together. So good. Look what he got. He got all Sprite, fresh milk, badam milk, all kind of sense. What is this? Syrup. Okay, we got a syrup there. Okay, good. Here we go. This is actually really good, man. Here we go. I'm going to get a coffee. Oh. There we go. Thank you, sir. Wow. Alright, guys, we are heading down to the next aisle. They got similar items here. What do they got? They got similar items. I'm trying to explore anything new to me, you know, and anything new will surprise you. Wow. There's a lot of chickens are going on. I don't know why. It's because due to the culture. These drivers, man. Please see what it. Nah, I'm not trying that. That's like pretty open. Wow, these guys got something. Aluthkade. Let's just go and find out what do they have. Guys, how much are you selling these? 1,300 this? 500. 1,000. 350. 800. What do they? Is it what do they have? Chicken? Tandoori chicken. Oh, you got whatever there. Hold on, let me show that. Oh, they got all these items inside. Tandoori chicken, grilled chicken. What is this? Roasted beef. Roasted beef, tandoori chicken, grilled chicken, spicy chicken. Wow, they got all of these items here. Wow, these are really cool items. What can I say? They got everything here, but I don't know which I'm gonna try. I don't feel full here. Oh, is that how you are making it? Is that how you're making it? How do you call this one? Huh? Taber. Towel burger. Oh, okay. Towel burger. Not towel burger. Towel burger. They got a lot of them. Wow. Here we go. I'm already full. I'm already full, guys. I'll try them on next time. But these guys are fresh red string hoppers. Actually, hoppers and sambal mix. How much are you selling this?
10 piece, 100 rupees.
10 piece, 100 rupees. Anything, color name it, anything. Okay, okay. 10 piece, 100 rupees, which is very cheap. In their restaurant, they are selling each for 23, 25 rupees. All right, let's just move on. Thank you. Here we go. What is these guys got? These guys got look fresh looking, eh? Let me just have some. Huh? What do you have here?
ಅದರಿಗೆ ಬಾದಾಮ್ ಪಾಲ್ ಇದೆ ಐಸ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಮೊಜಿಟೋ ಇದೆ ಮುಳುಗಿ ಶರಬತ್ತಿ ಇದೆ
Okay.
ಐಸ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಇದೆ ಒನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಇದೆ
You have ice, one shot.
ಒನ್ ಫಲೂಡಾ ಇದೆ
Can I get one shot in?
ಒನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬೋಲಾ
Wow. This guy just was listening to us. He's like, what does this guy want? Let me see. You got Sprite? Wow. How much is one shot?
250 rupees
250 rupees. Wow. Amazing price. What is it?
what do you want flavor strawberry blueberry grapes
I'll get grapes, yeah.
grapes
Yeah. Blue color. Look at this place, man. They got a special badam egg which is 250 and they got one shot here. I think they're building up. I got a picture of this guy. That's a great market strategy. An amazing place, man. This comes to a point where area became famous with the one shot. Oh, there we go.
come நான் நீங்களா குடி
Come. எப்படி குடிக்கணும்?
நான் இத போட்றேன் ஒன் ஷாட்டா நீ குடிங்க தான்
அப்ப நீங்க one shot சொல்லுவீங்களா? வீடியோ எடுக்க போறீங்களா?
ஆமா டேக்
Oh, you know, I'll check. That's one.
ஓகே
Okay, here we go.
One.
Hold on. என்ன செய்யணும் மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க.
நான்
டைரக்ட்
போடுவேன் நான் இந்த கிளாஸை உள்ள போட்டு நான் நுரைச்சிட்டு வர அந்த இஷ்டத்துல குடிக்க தான் ஒன் ஷாட்ல குடிக்கணும்
one shotல ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே 1 2 3 one shot game அவளுக்கு பிளானுக்கு ஆன்
Enough, man. It's actually got a great taste. Look my vines. Oh, it's all got waste. How do you got waste, man? Wow, that's weird.
நான் ஆல்ரெடி ஸ்பெஷல் மோஜிட்டோ இருக்குது குளிச்சி தருது கேரளா குளிச்சி லெமன் மின்ட் சில்லி இதெல்லாம் போட்டு வந்து
I'll try some. This guy got a good English.
சில்லி
No, I don't want chili, man. Okay, what is this? Mint, okay.
லீஃப் எல்லாம் போட்டு டிஃபரண்டா இருக்கு ஒன் ஷாட் தான்
Okay, how much is this?
250 rupees all on 250
Okay, thank you. What is it, 250?
what one glass 250
One glass 250. Okay, can I try them? Let's try them. I'm going to taste them, eh? I think the grape taste got some of the violence on
one
it.
shot badam ice mavan கூப்பிடு
Wow. Coming back to the one shot, man, I really don't, like it. It's just too much. It's too much for me. He's calling me. I don't know why. Here we go. The kid got it with the one shot.
1 2 3 one shot game
Finish here. We're pouring everything out. Here we go. You got everything on the water. Good job. You got most of that drinks right on the road. Wow. At least you tried it. All right. He's making, what is the name of it?
kuliki sarbat
Kuliki sarbat. That's a Tamil word, eh?
yes kuliki kerala kuliki
Kerala, Kuli. Wow. Here we go. You got all that spicy items going in. Wow. Ice. Why do you guys do spoons? Oh my God, man. This guy's crazy. Oh, yeah, inge spill pandra. What is that?
blueberry
Blueberry, yeah? You speak Tamil, eh? Tamil la kaipinga. எப்படி வியாபாரம் போகுது கணவர் வாரதா ஓகே என்ன டைம் இங்கே பிஸி கூடுதலா
delhi sari ஞாயிறு
Okay, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. What is it? Kuliki. There we go. Amazing. This guy been a big famous, eh? Wow. It's all happening at the temple tower. Just a great view, man. Wow, what do you got? Let me try. How much is this? Available? All of them you got it for $2.50. Wow, that's like $1, man. That's a great deal. Whoa. Wow, thanks, man. Wow. There we go. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like it got a lemon vibration. Wow. I think it's a very fresh drink if you wanted to have it really in the afternoon time. Oh, this guy calling me for fucking video record. Okay, here we go. What do you got? Go. One shot. What is this, first of all? What is it?
Fire puri.
Fire puri? You got fire puri from India. Copy it. Wow, this lady's gonna try them. All right, here we go. Fire puri. I'm gonna try it afterward as well. Wow, 1, 2, 3, go.
Nice one.
Wow. What is it reaction? It's a great reaction. Is it taste? எப்படி இருக்கு? என்ன ஸ்வீட்டா ஸ்பைசியா? Huh? Chocolate. Okay. Chocolate flavor. Okay, we got a pani puri. Fire pani puri, man. Wow, this guy's smiling. Okay, we got to move on our stuff. Alright, guys, let's just get our stuff here going. Wow. Let's just get this store out, man. Do you eat them? மிந்தியெல்லாம் சாப்பிட்றீங்களா? அப்படியே ஃபுல்லாக சாப்பிட்றீங்களா? Wow. Making what is it called? Badam? Badam milk. Okay, here we go. Let's see the master of the BCS. All right. What is it? Is it a syrup? Huh? Isn't it syrup? Right. Okay, go. There we go. Adding a badam nuts right there. Chopped up, very nice. Condensed milk. What is that? Milk powder?
Saffron powder.
Saffron powder. Okay. Saffron.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Wow, great art. What a sweet view, man. What time is it? 6:30. Timex. Wow, he got more milk to go. Oh. There we go. We're gonna flicky and get it done. This is where it's happening, guys. She's getting some of it. Wow. Falada is on the process, guys. It's all $250. Wow. There we go. It's all shifting down. Okay, let me try the fire puri, guys. I don't know how it tastes. Wow, it's a chocolate only.
Spicy?
I want to try spicy, yeah.
Spicy on the
How much? 250?
200.
200? Wow, that's outrageous. Where did you learn all this, man? Where did you learn all this? எங்க இருந்து இதெல்லாம் கண்டுபிடிச்சீங்க? நீங்க யார்கிட்ட இருந்து காப்பி பண்ணீங்க?
யார்கிட்ட காப்பி பண்ணல. நான் இந்தியால இங்க அப்படியே ஸ்ட்ரீட் ஃபுட் அப்படியே ஃபேமஸ் ஆயிட்டு.
ஓகே, நீங்க இந்தியால இருந்தீங்களா? அப்ப
இந்தியால இருந்து பார்த்த யூடியூப் தான்.
வீடியோ கிளிப்ஸ்ல இருந்து நீங்க இங்க காப்பி பண்ணியது. Okay. So these guys are inspired from the Indian street food, guys.
நீங்க எந்த யூடியூபா?
And who teaches everything? யாரை இவருக்கு படிப்பிச்சது? நீங்களா அவருக்கெல்லாம் படிப்பிச்சது? எப்போ இது எவ்வளவு காலம்? How long?
நான் குளிக்கு தரப்போது
2 months, 3 months?
1.5 வருஷம்.
No, not the kuliki, the one shot one.
One shot?
Yeah. How long? எவ்வளவு காலமா செய்றீங்க?
எவ்வளவு காலம் சரி 1.5 வருஷமா செய்றேன்.
Oh, okay. 1.5 year. Here we go. What do you get? Bro. Oh, what is that? என்னது? Chocolate. Okay, here we go.
ஆமா chocolate spicy தான் கேட்டாருங்க.
I asked for spicy, this guy gave me chocolate chips. It's okay.
Spice.
Okay, so here we go. The spices, what is it?
Masala curry.
Masala
Spicy
curry.
Masala.
All right. Okay, here we go. There we go. That's the spill. Yeah. Okay.
One shot.
Where's the fire? I want to see the fire, man. There's no fire on this one.
Fire.
Okay, I have fire. Okay.
There are atom.
Wow.
Those got on.
There we go. We got the lighters on. Hukli Pani Puri. Wow, there we go, guys. There's no fire. How did you get the fire, man? This guy failed. Whoa. There, let me. That's not working out so good. There we go. How does it work? I want to see the fire first. It's not working out. He's failed. The bloopers are coming up. Wow, all the juicy are going down, man. Okay. The fire. Here we go. Okay.
Una nera.
This guy's smiling as well, man. Whoa. Okay, just put it on, no problem. Look, kapura. Why do you put kapura in the mouth?
Aku ambil lagi. Sugar.
Huh?
Sugar.
That's not kapura.
Tahu ni kita.
Kapura.
Takuran lagi ni. Dia orang ambil itu. Itu dah itu.
Kamu yang
Ada lagi.
சொல்லுங்க
அது இந்தியாவிலிருந்து அழைக்கிறது. இந்தியாவிலிருந்தே வரும். அதுக்கு
என்ன பேர்?
அது பேர் தான் தெரியாது.
ஆனா I feel like that's a kapura, man. This guy put kapura, but nice taste. Let me ask this guy, yo. அவர் போட்டது கற்பூரம் தானே? என்னது? This guy gave me a good answer. I don't know, man. Alright guys, we are heading back and let's see what he got. There is a one shot goes on as you are going on here. This guy got one shot as well. I want to try something. Look all the pictures he got. Wow. Amazing. What is these people having? Let me see. Why is there so much of drinks around this area? This kid is doing good job. Wow. One shot. This guy actually made that brand right on that store name as well. Oh man. You got the one shot? You got one shot. Can I have one shot? Can I come that side? How much are you selling one shot? Huh? I want one shot. Is that fine? Yeah, how much?
One shot ever.
250. Okay, let's do. What kind of flavor you got?
Sprite.
Sprite.
Pink.
What is it?
Green apple.
Let's try green apple. Okay, let's try green apple. Okay, let's go. I wanted to try the two different store with a different flavor and give you the real feedback. தம்பி என்ன மாதிரி பாதாமிக்கு செல்வீங்களா? எவ்வளோ காலம் செய்கிறீங்க? எத்தனை வயசு உங்களுக்கு? 15 வயசு. Wow, he's 15 years old, guys. மூஞ்சே காட்டு இங்கே. Wow, there you go. The 15 years old guy just did a good job. Made it right there. Let's go. Okay guys, for the first time ever, I'm trying one shot with this guy. One shot. I love this guy. Actually, compared to that shop, this shop is doing a good job. I think we got a good flavor too. It's really good. Thank you. What that chocolate pack. What is it? Green apple?
Yeah, green apple.
Oh wow. Okay. We got a green apple. Beautiful. Alright guys, we are going deeper. What is this guy? Pay first. What do you have? என்ன விக்கிறீங்க? பானிபூரியா? Okay. Yeah. I'll come. I don't like panipuri. What do you got? What are you selling? என்ன விக்கிறீங்க?
Ice cream.
பாப்போம். ஐஸ்கிரீம் பொப்பா கொத்தா ஓகே எனக்கு தாங்க ஒன்று எவ்வளவு
ஒரு 10 நிமிஷம் வரும்.
தாங்க 10 நிமிஷம் இருக்கணுமா எவ்வளவு how much is that 600 okay I'll come yeah alright guys we keep on going wow this guy doing a good job say one more time this kid actually was inspiring me man oh there we go the food menu badam milk whoa look at this kid what is smoky king you don't have it okay well I will try smoky king in some other place but I tried badam milk ice milo shake blue mojito rainbow juice okay rainbow juice you have okay let's do 250 okay so I will try the rainbow because these guys are actually really inspiring for the business entrepreneurship right here he did a good job high five wow okay cutting எப்படி செய்றீங்க how you showing it you got a lemon wow you don't wash hand okay how did you start this business யார் உங்களுக்கு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி விட்டது இத அண்ணா இப்போ வந்து போனவரா ஓகே எப்படி எவ்வளோ வியாபாரம் வரும் ஒன் டே ஒரு 5000 6000 அதையும் கூட கூட வரும் என்ன ஒரு 50000 வராதா 50000 one month no one day how much 10,000 okay 10,000 income is a pretty good business you know wow what is it pepper bolo nice okay and we got the ice going on wow was actually scratching off her face all right here we go wow it's making it harder and faster guys we got a challenge at this age that's not rainbow color where's the rainbow color wow what is it Sprite okay Sprite is not smoothie oh yeah I see it's actually Sprite what is it coloring green coloring okay good there you go the red color whoa ho, ho. There we go Sprite again that's gonna fill up that juicy right here yeah now I see rainbow very nice so I see the rainbow now I feel like the rainbow drink is pretty much expensive than other stuff it should be like selling for 850 or 900 rupees because of the hard work in it is that right okay good wow how do you drink எப்படி குடிக்கிறது மேலால குடிக்கிறதா oh so you drink from the bottom part to the top part okay let's just the bottom part tastes like a lemon let's try the middle version oh yeah some kind of taste is there man I don't know how can I put it into words here we go red part yeah I like the top one huh okay let's just mix together yeah I really like the top part man what do you guys saying what is it
எங்களோட தாத்தாக்கு பாபா கிடைச்சு
oh they baby hold on they got a baby and they're giving huh what is it wow nice you know okay guys I'm gonna mix it now Okay, here we go. After you mix it, it's actually giving me a great taste, man. I think, to be honest, guys, these ones should be selling more. If they're selling for 250, it should be selling for at least 1,000 rupees. Shows everything. Wow. And the chips. The chips. Yeah, very nice. Alright guys, we got a rainbow juice right here, which costs about 200 rupees. Actually 250. It's all available in Jaffna Block Masa, guys. So good.